Hey everybody, it's Stephanie, aka Business Chic Mama. Welcome. So good to have you. In today's video, I want to talk about my big private label mistake. I am an FBA seller on Amazon as well as almost multi-six-figure Etsy seller and fashion designer. Sell on a lot of platforms. I'm here to help inspire you guys to fulfill your dreams and goals and to also just give you the real raw deal. Today's real raw deal is that, and I should have known better, but I kind of rushed through the process of a private label product. I'm going to show you the actual product. I'm going to show you what happened. I'm going to show you the mess that I made with this product and what I did about it. And I want to do this video because a lot of people are afraid to show mistakes or show their weaknesses, and I truly want to help you guys and give you the right direction. And this is something that I should have known better. I've been in business a long time, and I should have known better. I should have done my due diligence with the sample. So let's go ahead and get started with exactly what happened. So I was inspired by this product. It is a double insulated product that I actually received when I gave birth to my daughter, and I've had it ever since for 9 years. I love it, and it keeps my beverages cold, and I just love the weight of it, everything about it. So I did a little research on Amazon. I did find that there was a need for these insulated straw mugs. So I said, I am going to go get this private labeled. So after much research, I did find the company that actually made this particular one. They had a huge minimum order, and I decided to go a different route. I found this product, which is this one here. I also wanted to make sure there was like water tracking on it to track your water. So I found this product. One of those, just, they basically print your logo, private label your product, and there was a low minimum order. I think I spent about $250, but I did receive the sample, and I was happy with the sample. This is the sample, and it was a little flimsy, and I kind of felt that in my spirit when I opened it up. I mean, when I'm comparing the two, this is so much more lighter weight. The cap is a little flimsy looking. But I decided, because I was so impatient, that I said, let me just go for it, see what happens. So I actually, put this product up when I received it on Amazon. And lo and behold, when I started using the product, because I did not test it, all of the marking, all of the printing started coming off. Oh my gosh, and here I am selling the product already. I advertised it. I was starting to get sales. And then the bad review. And then I'm like, okay, this is why I need to pull this product and eat my mistake. So yeah, the product said that they gave me, I think, the review was, I think it was 2 or 3 stars, and it was, product is flimsy. They didn't talk about the actual printing coming off. Product was very flimsy, did not seem as it was depicted. And for me, I always want to provide an excellent product. You want to make sure that you have 5-star ratings. 5-star ratings, especially if it's a seller rating, and there's difference between the product rating and a seller rating. She put this on my seller rating, even though I did get that dismissed, and I'll talk about that in another video. You can get that erased. I did get that erased, so thank God I'm back to my 5-star rating. But it opened my eyes that I was very, just quick to try to get this product to Amazon and did not do my due diligence with this product. So in my experience, it's really important when you get those samples, because I did receive a sample, you get it and you test it. You test everything about it. Use it. If it's something like this, wash it, use it, see if the markings are coming off. And if it's not a good product, don't put it on Amazon. Amazon favors sellers that have premium products, good reviews. They will push your products much more than if you have products that are getting low reviews, bad customer service, low seller ratings. So you want to make sure that you do all of your due diligence before you go and invest. You know, now it's about $300 down the drain. But if anyone wants a water bottle, just text me below and leave me a message. So now I've got these water bottles I'll be using forever because I really don't want to put a subpar product on Amazon. I don't want to risk my reputation on Amazon as a seller, and even just how I feel like as a person. I don't want to really be putting a shoddy product out there if I know in my heart it's not really that, and it wasn't that expensive. I had it listed for $12.99. But still, you know, if you know in your heart your product's not good, you're never going to really truly be able to sell it the way that you want to sell it, and, you know, provide a great product and a great service for people. So anyway, that was my big, you know, faux pas. And again, just don't rush into things. Amazon is a long-term play, and I know you're probably excited to get started on Amazon or private label your products. Just make sure that you do the right thing. Okay, guys? So anyway, if you like this video and it was helpful for you, whatever, just if you just kind of thought it was funny, just give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications button so every time I do a new video, which could be on Etsy, Amazon, eBay, Poshmark, even just whatever it is in business. I do so many different types of videos. Just you'll get those notifications. All right, guys, until the next video, I will see you soon.